Hello, welcome to online lecture of advanced surveying. Today we have learned conversion of whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. Let's see the whole circle bearing. The magnetic bearing of a line measured clockwise from the north pole towards the line is known as whole circle bearing of the line. Such a bearing may have any value between 0 degree and 360 degree. The whole circle bearing of line is obtained by prismatic compass. Let's see some examples. The whole circle bearing of line AB is theta 1. It is measured with respect to north direction in clockwise direction. The whole circle bearing of AC is measured with respect to north line or north pole in clockwise direction, that is the theta 2. Similarly, we can measure the whole circle bearing of AD, that is theta 3, and whole circle bearing of line AE, that is theta 4 in similar manner. Next one is reduced bearing. Reduced bearing is nothing but the quadrantal bearing. The magnetic bearing of a line measured clockwise or anti-clockwise from the north pole or south pole, whichever is nearest the line, towards the east or west, is known as the quadrantal bearing of a line. This system consists of four quadrants. That is, first quadrant means northeast, second quadrant is southeast, third quadrant is southwest, and fourth quadrant is northwest. The value of quadrantal bearing lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. But the quadrant should always be mentioned. Quadrantal bearing are obtained by surveyor compass. Let's see some examples of quadrantal bearing, that means the reduced bearing. If line AB is in first quadrant, the reduced bearing can be measured in clockwise direction by north pole. In second quadrant, the reduced bearing of line AB is measured with respect to south pole in anti-clockwise direction. In third quadrant, the reduced bearing of line AD is with respect to south pole in clockwise direction, and last one, in fourth quadrant, the reduced bearing of AE is measured with respect to north pole in anti-clockwise direction. In similar manner, we can measure reduced bearing in all quadrants. Let's see the conversion of whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. First of all, we have to see the first quadrant, that is northeast quadrant. This quadrant between 0 to 90 degree. That means the whole circle bearing is between 0 to 90 degree. The whole circle bearing and reduced bearing in this quadrant is equal. In second quadrant, that means southeast quadrant, whole circle bearing is between 90 degree to 180 degree. The reduced bearing is calculated by the formula using reduced bearing is equal to 180 degree minus whole circle bearing. In third quadrant, that means southwest quadrant, whole circle bearing is between 180 degree to 270 degree. The reduced bearing in this quadrant can be calculated by reduced bearing is equal to whole circle bearing minus 180 degree. And in last quadrant, that means fourth quadrant, northwest quadrant, the whole circle bearing is between 270 degree to 360 degree. The reduced bearing can be calculated by using formula RB is equal to 360 minus whole circle bearing. For better understanding, we can use given table. Thank you.